Mm.
So welcome back to our next Igbo language lesson. I hope you enjoyed our last lesson, and of course we were able to learn so many things. All right, I promise you, even those ones you're yet to understand very well, within a short time, we're going to have the knowledge of them, okay? All right, in today's video, you're going to learn how to write or make some sentences that has to do with personal pronoun and a verb. Personal pronoun, when you want to tell someone what you want to do, that is what I mean by that. And here on the board, we have some examples. So when we read the first, you'll get to learn the meaning or how you're going to say it using Igbo language. Remember, you should always get your writing materials ready for you to learn properly. And then don't fail to subscribe or share the videos. Alright, number one is what? This is a sentence that expresses a desire of what you want to do. Okay? I want to eat some food. I want to eat some food. If you want to say it or write it using Igbo language, this is what you're supposed to say. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. The next one is, I want to rest. Okay? I want to have some rest. Oh, I'm tired. I need to rest. Please, no disturbance. I need to rest. Let me go and rest. I want to rest. This is how you should say it. Achọrọ m izu ike. Achọrọ m izu ike. Good. Then the next is, I want to sleep. I want to sleep. How do you say it using Igbo language? Achọrọ m ihi ụra. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. Or you can even say, Achọrọ m ịrahụ ụra. Yes. Look at the next one. I want to defecate. I want to defecate. How do you say it using Igbo language? For example, when your kids want to tell you, oh, mom, I want to poo-poo. You know, some of them, how do they supposed to say it using Igbo language? Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Yes. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Good, that is how to say it. Let's look at the next one. I want to see you. I want to see you. Achọrọ m ịhụ gị. Achọrọ m ịhụ gị. You can even say, Achọrọ m ịfụ gị. You understand? They're the same thing. Achọrọ m ịhụ gị. The next one is, I want to cook some food. I want to cook some food. How do you say it or write it using Igbo language? Achọrọ m isi nri. Yes. Nri means what? Food. Achọrọ m isi nri. Then the last one in the list is, I want to travel. Okay? When you want to embark on a journey that will take you some days or some months, and you want to tell someone about it without letting your neighbor or any other person, without allowing the third party, okay, hear of it. This is how you're supposed to say it. Achọrọ m ime njem. Good. Can we say it again? Achọrọ m ime njem. These are some sentences that you can actually write or make them using a personal pronoun and a verb. Looking at the sentence, it is a verb. I is a personal pronoun. Have you seen that? Onye ọma na-ege m ntị. Achọrọ m ka ị mara na e nwere ụzọ dị iche iche ị nwere ike iji depụta ahịrịokwu banyere ihe ndị ị chọrọ ime. Nke a bụ ihe ịmaatụ dị iche iche nke edere ebe a. Ya bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịgwa mmadụ ụzọ ihe ole na ole ị chọrọ ime, ị nwere ike idepụta ha n'akwụkwọ. Ngwa leenụ nke mbụ. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m izu ike. Achọrọ m ihi ụra ma ọ bụkwanụ achọrọ m ịrahụ ụra. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Ọ dị oke mkpa, ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye Igbo, ọ bụghị mgbe niile ka ị ga-achọ ka ndị agbata obi mara ihe ị chọrọ ikwu. Ịma na ọ bụrụ na ị jiri okwu bekee, onye ọbụla ga-aghọta ihe ị na-ekwu. Mana dịka onye Igbo ịbụ, ị kwesịrị ị na-eji okwu Igbo ma ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ikwu ụfọdụ okwu ị na-achọghị ka ha mata. Ị ghọtara? Ya mere ọ dị oke mkpa na ị ga-amụta otu esi asụ Igbo nakwa otu esi ede ya ede. Nke ọzọ n'ebe a bụ gịnị? Achọrọ m ịhụ gị. Achọrọ m ịhụ gị. Achọrọ m isi nri nakwa nke ikpeazụ nọ na ya. Achọrọ m ime njem. Ị ghọtara? Ngwa ka anyị lee anya ebe ọzọ. Let's look at the book again. These sentences that are written out have to do with expression of your future actions, what you want to do. Let's repeat what we read before. Achọrọ m iri nri, that is, I want to eat some food. I want to eat some food. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to rest. I want to take some rest. I want to relax. How are you supposed to say it? Achọrọ m izu ike. Achọrọ m izu ike. Oh, I'm tired. I need to rest. Achọrọ m izu ike. Good. Look at the next one. I want to sleep. It's getting late. Please, let me go and sleep. I want to sleep. How do you say it? Achọrọ m ihi ụra. Can you even say achọrọ m ịrahụ ụra? Then the next, I want to defecate. I want to poo-poo. Like some of you normally say it. I want to poo-poo. How do you say it? Using Igbo language. So that your neighbor won't hear you saying you want to go and defecate, you know? Look at it here. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Yes. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. The next, I want to see you. Oh, Mr. Tony, please, can I see you? I want to see you briefly. Achọrọ m ịhụ gị. Achọrọ m ịfụ gị. The next is, I want to cook some food. Achọrọ m isi nri. I'm hungry. I need to cook. Achọrọ m isi nri. And then the last one in the list is, I want to travel. I want to travel. Achọrọ m ime njem. Good. I hope you were saying these things at the same time. And I hope you've written at least some of them. Please do so, okay? Don't forget, you have to do the most important. By doing what? Sharing the videos, okay? Subscribe, okay? Practice what you've learned with me. You have to practice them. Don't worry, with time, you're going to get used to the language. Practice them. Even when you say them and make mistakes, don't worry. Repeat them again, okay? By the time you say it consistently, you master how to use Igbo language to tell someone what you want to do. Good. This is what we're going to start for today. Till our next lesson. My name is Glory Ololo. God bless you.